we are doing a 12-hour readathon. Emma and I already started, but we're only an hour and 24 minutes in, so Oli did not miss much at all. See, this is how much we have left. It's paused right now. So here's what I have to work with. So I'm starting with my Kindle, which I got for Christmas, and I'm obsessed. So honestly, I might not get to these at all and just stay on the Kindle, but I'm currently 77% into From Lukov with Love. I started, I think like 61% in, so that's the progress I made so far. I might just move on to another Kindle Unlimited book after this one, or I have Blood of Hercules, Magnolia Parks, Betting on You, correct? She's got nothing like the movies. The Do-Over, and Normal People. I'm probably not gonna get to all of these, but these are just my options, and if I wanna switch it up. So yeah, so I'm just gonna work on finishing From Lukov with Love, and I will update you when I finish. So that's what I'm doing. Anyway.
Me awkwardly doing it. So Cami already explained the premises. I have, just for background, was reading like these mini short stories and then was gonna start a book last night, but didn't because I wanted to have a fresh start. So stole this from Cami, learned that my reading pace is like 100 pages in 55 minutes. So again, we've been doing it for an hour 24. I'm like 155 pages in. This is 400 pages. So what I'm planning to do is finish this book. If I get bored halfway through, I think I'll probably just read it through. But my stack that I'm borrowing is my next conquest, Sarah J. Maas, Crescent City. Just finished ACOTAR, took a 3-year hiatus, but went back into it, read all of Throne of Glass. So this is what I'm gonna do next. I'm stealing the 3 books from Cami, but obviously like, that's fat. I'm not gonna get through this whole thing right now. So I kind of wanna like, Cami said the story starts like 200-ish pages in. So I might read like 200 of this, and then this one, I also just got, this is Cami's, but I got it on Libby, so I have it for 3 weeks. So I think I want to start reading this one because I'm traveling and it's easier for me to read on my Kindle. And not sure I'll get to this, but as an option, and I also have Binding 13 on my Kindle, so I might think, the game plan is finish this, start Crescent City, and we'll work from there. But that's where we are right now.
So, this is what I'm reading right now, Children of Dune. I think I'm reading Children of Dune. I'm not really sure what page I'm on, but I have to finish this because I'm so done reading it. It's good. It's just, I've been reading it for like forever. I'm not going to go here next. I'm going to read this one next, What the River Knows, because it's kind of short, and I've been wanting to really read this. And then I'm going to read Aragon. Aragon? Mm-hmm. Yeah. I want to really read this. I already started this, and it's actually really good, and I'm really enjoying it. So then I want to read this, and then if I get here, I want to read God Emperor, and then I don't think I'm ever going to read any more of the Dune series. I think this is where I want to end it. There's 2 more. I think there's Heretic and Chapter House.
When do they get crazy?
Now, but really this one.
A lot thicker? Or is that just a...
It's a little bit thicker. Not really. Dune Messiah is really small, but it was good. I enjoyed it. And that's it. And we're going to order food, or are you gonna go there and order?
We're gonna order food from DoorDasher.
Okay. Well, we're gonna get Mr. 01, I think. Right? Agreed? Okay. Go, go, go! We got food. I got a chicken Caesar salad. Is that what you got?
Yeah, that's so good. You're joking, yeah.
Finally starting to read. Okay, just timestamp. Okay, sorry. 8:34:11 left. 8 hours, 34 minutes, 11 seconds left. I just finished From Lukov with Love. I started 61% in. I don't know how many pages that was, but it was like 530 in total, so someone else can do the math. 5 stars. Does it really deserve 5 stars as a masterpiece of book? Probably not. I definitely had some issues with it. One, there were some sentence structure things that I just did not like. But that was really the only problem I had with it. It was a beautiful, slow burn romance about 2 figure skaters. I ate it up. Now I know a lot about figure skating, I feel like. And it was so cute and heartwarming at the end. And I had a really good time, so I'm rating it 5 stars because that's all that matters. So yes, now I'm moving on to what my next book is going to be. And I really don't know what I'm going to do because I have all these books right here. But I kind of just want something sports related again. So I'm probably just going to have to make a decision. I don't know which one yet. I don't know. I don't know. I'll tell you guys later. Bye. After much deliberation, I've decided I'm going to try Magnolia Parks by Jessa Hastings. Heard lots of good things about this one. Decided I should switch from Kindle to physical book. So that's where I'm at. It's 8:32:45. Actually, it's 9:32 p.m. Okay, now Emma is going to explain where she's at.
Hello, beautiful people. I'm currently on page 382 of, I took off the dust jacket because it was bothering me. Nothing like the movies. I think I have like 50 pages left. We'll be done soon. I've been on a consistent 100-page an hour schedule, so it's really cute. Right now they're on a date, and it's really fun, and I completely forgot the plot of the first book, but it all came back to me, and it's Lynn Painter is telling a very cute story, but Cami and I were talking about how we're kind of confused by her references. They're great in a good way, but also, I don't know what's going on. But having a great time. Oli, want to share about yours?
Yeah, even I don't even know how this works. Still reading Children of Dune. I'm on page 156. I think I started on like 90 or something.
Moved on from Java.
I moved on from, I don't think I said anything, but I was applying to jobs. Yeah, to all 60 subscribers I have on YouTube, I was applying to jobs in the first, like, I don't even know, 30 minutes? 45 hour. And anyways, yeah, that's where we are right now. I'm like, yeah, 156. I will be finishing this book no matter what. And after this book, I will be moving to this book because I feel like I could finish it pretty quickly. Because it's a pretty big text compared to Dune. Just small. Look at this.
Look at this.
What the hell? Anyways, actually, this is kind of, well, the font's bigger. This is smaller. Okay, anyways, we're going to start the timer again.
This was really cute. We're at 8:08, so took me 3 hours and 52 minutes to read 440 pages. I feel like that's pretty solid. Wesley Bennett is so cute. I've literally been sitting here giggling for like the last 50 pages because this boy is just so down bad.
Perfect.
And adorable. And we do need to talk about Lizzie a little bit.
Yeah.
This was just cute. This was like a perfect like sit down and read the whole thing because it's like literally he's just obsessed with her and all he's doing is trying to win her back and they're so happy together and it's so cute and it was so perfect. And I'm so happy. And now I guess we have to see what's next. I think, what time is it? I think I'll probably try to do at least, what I do, life hack for all those who are watching, is whenever I start a book, this has been a recent thing, is I have to read at least 60 pages because I've realized that if I don't do that, like if I put it down, I won't be inspired to pick it back up because like nothing really happens in the first 50 pages. So if I do, I can do 100 to 200, yeah. So I'll do 200, but I think I'll read like the first 100 just to like, Cammy's saying 200 if you can't hear.
First 100, see what you think.
But we'll start out Crescent City.
Tell them that I switched books.
Cammy switched books. We'll pass the mic over to her. I'll update you guys, but throwing the mic right now.
Oh, okay. Basically, the deal was I tried to do Magnolia Parks, and the text is too small for me. And it's like it's single spacing too, and it's too small. And also, like it's basically like Gossip Girl in a book, and like it's a little hard because they're like really rich, and every other sentence is like I opened my Alexander McQueen bag or some shit, like, and I'm like, okay, I can't do this. So I'm switching over to The Do-Over by Lynn Painter because it's a short one. It's only like 285 pages, so I feel like I could definitely finish it tonight. And I really like Lynn Painter.
Should I stay on a Lynn Painter kick is the question. If I want to keep going.
Boys of Tommen.
I could do that too. But then I'll just be reading Lynn Painter now.
Yeah, exactly.
Another Omaha one? Why is it all in Omaha?
From Omaha. So when you're writing
They're
setting,
all from Nebraska.
When you're writing setting, it's easiest to write about a place you know very well.
This is true. Fair.
Shout out to my fiction writing class.
Oh, wait, Bailey and Charlie are Sarah's friends. The puppy boy that I was just talking about, his little sister, they were like briefly mentioned when they went out. They went to the diner all together and they were at the table. So, maybe, any updates on Dune?
I'm still reading it. That's the update. I think I'm almost on page 200. Okay, I'm on 179 right now. Book is 477 pages long. We are taking a cookie break. We ordered insomnia cookies. Well, we're not. We're eating cookies and we're still reading. Not a break. Never mind. Forget it. Forget I said it. A dirt break. Yeah. Okay, so I finished Dune, or Children of Dune, finally. It was good, and it got really shitty in the end. So I don't know. Why was it shitty in the end? I don't know. It just kept dragging on. You know what? Well, he turned into a worm, but then again, I already knew that was happening, so maybe that's why I was like, okay, let's just get it over with already. I don't know. I enjoyed the other two more than this one, but I've heard. I mean, it was like interesting in the beginning. I don't know.
Out of 10 or out of 5?
Out of 5, a 3.
3.
Yeah. I think I gave Dune Messiah 4.5, and then I don't know what I gave Dune, but Dune is really good. That's it for me. I'm going to bed now, though the next book I will be reading is what is it called? Oh, What the River Knows. Time check. 4:10 a.m. Okay. Kimmy, your turn.
But I finished The Do-Over by Lynn Painter, and I rated it 4 stars. It was cute, but also cringy, but that's kind of what you're signing up for, so you can't really complain. I mean, it was fine, just not 5 stars. It was good, though. Cute. That's really all I got. I'm kind of struggling to pick my next one. I started this hockey romance that I didn't like, but I only read 22 pages, but whatever. So now I'm trying this other one by the author who wrote From Look Up With Love, so we'll see. Okay, good night.
So last we spoke, I'd picked this bad boy up. I think I'm like 117 pages into that. I guess that was 5 hours ago. I got really tired at like 11, and it's so much world building that it's good, and I will be reading it, and I really like it, but like Loki almost put me to sleep, and I couldn't focus on that. So now, Lynn Painter, the star of this readathon, I'm 317 pages into this, betting on you. It's getting really cute. And Cami hasn't read this one yet, so I decided that I was like going back and forth for a minute, but I want to finish this before we're done because she hasn't read it, so I want to leave it. I'm going to take Crescent City with me. So I have like 100 pages left, so I'll finish this one, I think, in the morning and then get as much done of Crescent City as I can. But super cute. Crescent City, good. There's like 500 characters and they're all different species and I can't keep track.
Okay, good night. I'm so tired.